Hey guys, how you doing? Jack Scalfani here, Cooking with Jack Show. I just want to tell you I'm so excited about this dish because it's going to be far above the other side dishes for Thanksgiving. This will probably be the first one to go. It's not only mac and cheese, not only is it smoked mac and cheese, but it's going to be smoked mac and cheese with crab meat. Hello? Oh my goodness. So let's get this thing started. Come on in close and I'll show you all the ingredients. All right, the importance of mac and cheese is the macaroni and obviously the cheese. That's most important. What flavor cheeses are you putting in? What kind of macaroni? Pasta shells. I've seen elbow macaroni. I've seen rigatoni. There's a whole bunch of different mac and cheeses. I'm using elbow today. So I got elbow macaroni, heavy whipping cream. I got milk. We'll use this as needed to kind of thin out the mac and cheese and get it mixed up good. Got a block of Gruyere. That's Gruyere. This one is smoked white cheddar right there. And this is smoked Gouda. And then we got butter. Got some paprika. I did this in Las Vegas once. I was at a mac and cheese bar. And I was crazy. I put blue cheese in my mac and cheese in Vegas. It was so good. But I used pepper flakes. And that totally picked up the flavor of my mac and cheese. So we're putting pepper flakes in this recipe. This is the cherry on the cake. We're also putting in real crab meat. So we're going to put that in our mac and cheese. This is the strange item, yellow mustard. I saw it in the recipe, just going to try it out. See how it comes out. Then we got garlic and onion. And I got a simple disposable tray, so I can just throw it in the smoker. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to grate the cheese. Alright, next thing you're going to do is cook your macaroni and get it back over here. Cook it al dente. If you know what that is, it's very firm, not fully cooked. So about 3 minutes from being fully cooked. A little bit under al dente because it's going to cook more in the smoker in its own cheese sauce, so you want to make adjustments for that. So pull it out when it's al dente. All right, now it's time to melt some butter in the pan. We're going to get our cheese sauce ready. I want to work this on a medium-low for right now until it's all together, and then I'll put it up a little bit higher. The one thing I don't want to do is burn my cheese or my cream or anything. Now, honestly, I'm just eyeballing this, okay? But we're going to put in about a cup of cream. Put in a little bit of milk. Now I want to get my cheese melted, so we're going to pop in our cheese. Got all the cheeses shredded, so we're going to throw that in there. Always shake up your mustard because you got that water that's sitting right on top. So you want it all to be mustardy. Put a little bit of mustard in. A little bit of pepper flakes. Put your garlic in. Love garlic. This is minced garlic. Put your onion in. Then you come in here and mix it all together. And if you feel like it's too thick, put a little bit of milk in there, but it looks perfect to me. Get that all mixed up. Look at how beautiful that looks. With the red pepper flakes and the mustard. We got to put the crab meat in. So, here we go. Gonna break that up. Put our pasta in. And incorporate all the pasta into the cheese sauce. Once it gets wet, see, it's a little clumpy right now, but once the macaroni gets wet with the cheese sauce, it's going to totally separate easier. And then we sit here and take it right off the stove. in here. We sit here and we smooth it out. This container's perfect. Look at that. And lastly, a little paprika. Okay, this thing's loaded with smoke. It's ready to go. So let's pop in our mac and cheese. Can't even see. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's just crazy. Alright, got it on the second shelf in the bottom. Looking good. Beautiful. Alright, here we go. It's been in for about 35 minutes. Alright guys, as I'm letting this cool, let me tell you, we got great things coming up. On Black Friday, we're not doing toys in the kitchen anymore. We're going to bring you the top 10 things I love in my kitchen. So I'm going to go around my kitchen and tell you all the things I've done over the years that I still use all the time, that you guys see me using, that I'm like madly in love with, all right? So that top 10 list is coming for Black Friday, so you know what to buy the foodie in your life for Christmas, all right? So let's get ready to try this out. You guys must do crab meat. That's what makes this a home run. Other than just macaroni and cheese, that's what it tastes like. But with the crab meat and the smoky flavor, it's a home run. I wish I could give you some through the camera, but I can't. So you guys have a great holiday season. This is the last side dish. Then we're going to go to the turkey, okay? I love you, and I'll see you on the next episode.